Number 53, the directions are the same as 52, which is to identify the rational zeros of each function, then write the function in factored form. So again, the first thing we should work on is finding the possible zeros. Since the coefficient in front of the first term is 1, we will only be working with the possible zeros from the factors of the last number, which is 48. So the possible factors will be plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24, I think I forgot 16, and finally 48. We will not need to divide any of these numbers by the first coefficient here, again, because it's 1, you will just get the same factors back. So let's begin by testing some of the factors to see if we can get a 0. So we're going to start by writing the coefficients for the entire function, and let's start to test -4. So we bring down 1 and we're going to multiply, that's -4. Combining, we have 1 times -4 is -4, and we have -12 times -4, which is 48, which in turn gives us a remainder of 0. So that is actually a root. So we're going to start writing the factor form of this function. So the first root we found, which is going to be in x plus 4 for the root of -4. And then rewriting the rest of it will be x squared plus x minus 12. So, and then we're going to actually try to factor the quadratic part of this factor. So we have x plus 4 times x minus 3 and x plus 4 again. These two will make up the quadratic part. And this will be the factored form. We can simplify this a little bit by combining the x plus 4 since there's 2 of them, and then we have x minus 3 in the back, and this will be the factored form. The zeros are going to be -4, there's 2 roots, so there's a multiplicity of 2, and then 3 for the second root. So those are the 2 roots for this problem.